Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the VIVO IQOO U5X. So, when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm starting from the simplest device. Just switch it off the Bluetooth connection and switch it on again to restart the Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds and just choose restart. After that, look for your device again in the Pair New Device in the Bluetooth settings. So, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. How to do it, you will find the manual to your device. In my case I had to click 3 times this button. Sometimes the device starting automatically in the pair mode. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds. You have to check it by yourself in the manual or maybe on your YouTube channel, so check it. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode but it's still not visible for your phone, go to the system in the settings and choose reset options. Tap on the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth and choose reset settings. Confirm the pattern and click on reset settings again. After that, check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. After that, you can also try to update your system, so just go to the above phone, I think, or maybe not. We can just, okay, there we have a system update in the settings list. So if you have any system updates like here, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.